On-farm composting can provide animal producers with a convenient method for disposing of animal mortalities. Finished material can also be stockpiled and reused to help compost other mortalities, or land applied as a soil amendment. Animal composting facilities should be approved and permitted by the state veterinarian. A proper bulking agent is needed to compost an animal mortality because it helps to regulate the decomposition process. Bulking agents can be made of sawdust, wood shavings, wood mulch, horse muck, corn stover, compost, or a combination of those materials. A blend of fine and coarse textured bulking agents will work better than coarse textured agents. Build a bed for the animal to rest on. The bed should be made from the bulking agent and be a minimum of 2 feet thick, with 3 feet of material surrounding the rest of the animal. Completely covering animal parts will help control odors and deter scavengers. Place the animal or animals on the bed. Cover the animal with bulking agent. The animal should be surrounded by 3 feet of material formed to a mounded shape. Completely cover the animal and mound the pile to help control odors, deter scavengers, shed water, and maintain proper temperature. The ideal temperature ranges from 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Walk away for at least a week. The pile will need to be monitored on a weekly basis for smells, moisture, scavengers, and temperature. A bin system is a convenient way to manage animal mortality composting. The 3-bin system allows piles to be easily rotated through the composting stages. Typically, each bin represents a new stage in the process, as piles need to be flipped or moved to a new bin when the temperature cools. Often the 3rd bin is used as a storage area for completed compost, which can be used as a bulking agent for future animal mortalities. The windrow system is good for large operations that require a large composting area. Piles in a windrow system are basically turned in place, and windrows work best in long, straight lines. The size of the compost pile will be limited by space and by the size of the equipment. A telehandler will obviously create and maintain larger piles than a 3000 series John Deere or a small Bobcat, but it's not required. Basically, any piece of equipment with a bucket will be able to perform the needed task. A thermometer is a very useful tool. It will allow the compost pile to be easily monitored for temperature fluctuations. An agricultural or soil thermometer is recommended and should be 36 inches in length.